LegalZoom Online Power of Attorney App. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Online Power of Attorney app is designed to simplify granting legal authority to someone you trust, but most people get this wrong when they assume it's only for emergencies. The surprising truth is that it can be used for a variety of situations, from managing financial affairs to healthcare decisions, all without scheduling in-person meetings. One major pro is convenience. The app guides you step by step through creating a power of attorney document tailored to your state's legal requirements. You can specify the powers you're granting, choose agents, and finalize documents digitally, all from your phone or computer. Another advantage is affordability. Hiring an attorney for a power of attorney can cost hundreds of dollars, whereas LegalZoom provides an accessible, budget-friendly alternative. This is especially helpful for families, caregivers, and individuals planning ahead. However, there are cons. While the app ensures legal validity, it may not cover complex situations like multiple agents with different powers, business-related decision-making, or international legal nuances. Users must read carefully and ensure the document aligns with their specific needs. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Online Power of Attorney app is a practical solution for anyone seeking to plan ahead efficiently and affordably. It streamlines the process, ensures compliance with state laws, and provides clear guidance, making it ideal for straightforward scenarios. For more complex cases, consulting a licensed attorney is still recommended.